last year yung experience natin na same day tonight.
So, many of you didn't know, but today is my birthday. So last year po, I spent my birthday sa presinto sa police station because nagpapa-entrapment operation kami. Because muntik na kami ma-scam, almost worth 5 million. So, grabe, full circle moment, no? From last year, tapos ngayon nandito tayo sa bagong showroom ng First Luzon. So, I feel really blessed, empowered, and actually, looking back, yun yung pinaka-lowest, one of my pinaka-lowest point in life, parang relasyon ko, kapag sa kanta nangyayari, parang paano ko babangon? So yun, iba talaga yung timing ni God. It's really a perfect timing. And I just feel so blessed right now.
Power of manifestation and of course, attraction.
Wow, that's actually.
So grabe, last year pa
Actually, last year, hindi ko na-imagine na magkakanta ako. There was a plan, pero hindi ko naman in-imagine na it was
talagang unexpected blessing.
unexpected message.
So last year, last birthday, meron po kayong hinahanap kung papakulong dapat. Tama po.
Entrapment operation. Actually, parang siyang teleserye. Kasi first time ko na magpa-entrapment eh. Parang kami nasa Batang Quiapo. Oo. And thankful ako na may mga taong tumulong sa amin. Dito ba siya? Actually. Pero may mga tumulong sa amin na tao. Co-resellers din namin, na willing to help. And of course, yung CIDG sa Turkey. Sobrang helpful rin sa amin.
So last year, may papakulong, ngayon may binubuksan ang headquarters natin. Palapang na po natin, Ms. Jane Anton Masaya. Now before we officially close, last call from our media. Last question. Anyone? Before we officially close our Q&A portion. Anyone? None so far? There you go. So muli, maraming salamat to all our media partners na nandito po featuring the First Luzon headquarters. Of course, we would also like to thank all the friends, family, business partners of Miss J.Ann and Mr. Ricky. Palakpakan mo po natin sila. Thank you so much for being here, our beloved guests, and ang lahat po ng bumubuo ng First Luzon family. Palakpakan mo po natin their staff, their employees, their own family here at First Luzon. So, before we officially conclude this program, Ms. J.Ann and Mr. Ricky would like to invite all of you. So we have our wine glasses there. So can we all together raise a toast for our beloved owners, Ms. J.Ann and Mr. Ricky. So bibigyan po natin muna, of course, our VIP guests, our colleagues, business partners, and we will be inviting someone to raise a toast for the successful grand opening and the new chapter of First Luzon. So while pouring, yan siguro from our staff, maybe we could help us pour in all the wine or champagne glasses. Now, while doing that, let's invite here on stage one of the friends of Miss J.Ann. Palakpakan na po natin. Let's give a round of applause for Mark De Roca and of course, Johan Martin. So can you share with us some quick special message and of course, message of gratitude?
She's my best friend. For almost 2 decades na pala. Akala ko 1 day. Ano? 1 decade. Sa Philippines, you know.
No, I'm so happy that yeah, I'm so happy that you have this. So, I'm very proud of you. Sa lahat ng mararating ka. We're number one supporter. Everyone should know, simpleng tao ni Jayan. She's very down to earth. Like, yung makikita nila sa vlog or whatever, it's not her personality. She's very different. She's completely different with us. And hindi na namin akalain na she's gonna be like one of the famous influencer here in the Philippines. Yes, you are. So, I know you deserve it. And sa lahat-lahat, nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Forever.
Thank you for the heartfelt message this morning. Mark, your turn.
Hello everyone. I'm Mark. So first of all, I would want to congratulate the whole team of First My Son. Congratulations. Alam niyo kung ano yung mga paghihirap na dinanas niyo. From the old showroom to us adding more staff para makarating pa sa maraming tao yung message natin na to sell the experience that we're catering to them. And of course to Jehan and Ricky na last year lang, hindi pa natin alam kung anong mga plano natin and gusto gawin. But you were really pushing on doing this. And not just this, but I'm so glad that I was able to find a best friend in Jehan as well as Ricky because syempre, in this life, nag-rotate kami sa luxury. Sometimes it's hard to find the realest people who you can be with because let's be frank that it's still a competition between everyone else. But with Ricky and Jehan, it's always just welcoming and tama yung sinabi na very down to earth. Sometimes si Jehan pa yung kailangan mo sabihin na labanan mo yan sis, labanan mo. Pero sasabihin niya talaga na hindi na sis, di mo yung kailangan. So I'm just happy that we're here because deserve to ni Jehan and Ricky and the whole team. Thank you to everyone.
Please acknowledge the presence of Miss Angelic Mando.
Thank you.
Last minute yung invite ko. Siya yung isa sa pinaka-umalagkas sa amin. Even before pa mag-vlog. Yes. Siya na lang nagtanalo ko kung gusto niya.
Let's toast.
Congratulations sa iyo, Gian, and to the whole First My Son team. I'm so proud to see your growth. Sabi nga ni Gian, even before pa siya mag-start mag-vlog, we were able to consume some of our stuff, get our favorites like this. And I'm just looking forward to the growth that you have. And congratulations on your new space, and congratulations on the more success ahead of you.
Thank you so much, Angelo. Now, before we conclude, Mr. Ricky, maybe we can have group photo first, photo op first. Let's also invite
Mr.
Stephen. Good evening, Sir
Marketing
Stephen.
Team of Honor Philippines. Thank you, sir, for watching. Kahapon na lang kayo, pero nandito ka ngayon. Kaya nga eh, it's Sir
Sa event siya kahapon.
Stephen.
Yaon or wala siya.
That's how special first message. A picture, Sir Stephen, Mr. Ricky, picture naman po before we do our toast.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. One more. 1, 2. Closer. 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, sa akin po guys, kaway lang po, kaway. 1, 2, 3, kaway po. Okay.
Sorry, we can I just acknowledge the presence of Real Talk Star, Sir Darby. He was my coach when I was doing content. Nung nag-start pa lang ako mag-content, hello coach.
Please join us here.
Hello.
Real Talk Star. With 5 million followers on Facebook.
Join us.
So first of all, good evening sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon. Daming camera. So first of all, just wanted to congratulate Ms. Jayan for achieving another milestone. So I saw how you needed to evolve previously and evolve you did. And seeing you being able to achieve this at the heart of BGC, grabe, sobrang proud na proud ako sa'yo. And you are one of the best example of what transformation looks like. So, naalala ko pa before si Ms. Jayan, sabi niya na mahihain daw talaga siya, kahit hanggang ngayon. But the thing is, there are specific things that needs to be done in order for us to achieve the dreams that we needed to achieve. And you showed me that, you showed people that, and that's one of the reasons why this is, First Mason is now one of the best, if not the number one in the entire country. So congratulations for this wonderful event. And once again, I'm always here, where we came, Real Talk Arms, House Creatives, to support you to your success. Yun.
Thank you, Mr. Another photo.